Now let's move to the Upper West region next. Member of Parliament for Jirapa, Dr. Francis Dakura, says the long-term solution to the fight against coronavirus is to continuously educate the public. He opines that though the donation of protective equipment and assorted items helps in many ways in the fight against the disease, educating people on the need to observe the needed protocols is a more long-term measure to contain the spread of the disease. Correspondent Rafiq Salam now reports from Jirapa.
Dr. Francis Dakura stated that the fight against the COVID-19 pandemic is a serious one which should not be toyed or played politics with.
You see, the coronavirus disease is not something that we should want to make photo shopping about or politics. It's a very serious, deadly disease. It's not something that we should use to make politics, put pictures on vinegar buckets and then disappear. So I have a long-term view and vision about how we will fight this disease together.
Though he believed that the donation of personal protective equipment and assorted items will help in the fight against the deadly disease, he is however of the opinion that public education is a long-term solution to containing the spread of the virus. As a result of that, the Jirapa Member of Parliament has launched a COVID-19 support team comprising of 10 members.
10 members from Jirapa here, and each person comes from a zone. This 10-member COVID-19 support team will be trained. There will be a workshop here in the next 2 weeks, organized by the Municipal Health Director. And when they train them, then we'll ask them to go back to their zones and also get about 5 people to educate people. So it will be an ongoing thing. They'll be educating people. I'll be resourcing them. The central team, I'll give them our own private vehicle. You will see it from time to time. It will be having COVID-19 support team. It will go around to see how the zonal team they've set up are working. This is the only way we can deal with the disease or contain it.
Dr. Francis Dakura donated 10 infrared thermometers, 10,000 milligram hand sanitizers to health facilities in the Jirapa municipality. Jirapa Municipal Director of Health Services, Florence Ansongmane, thanked the Jirapa Member of Parliament for the kind gesture, urging others to follow his example by coming to the aid of the municipality.
Fighting meningitis and COVID-19 is not a one-man thing. Ghana Health Service alone cannot do it. We need a concerted effort. And so he's playing his part. We hope that the other collaborators, the communities, everybody, we can do all the education. But if the community members are not adhering to it, it will lead to zero.
Reporting for JoyNews, Rafiq Salam, Jirapa.
And we're right here in our Kukumimle studios, and that's it for the news. But remember, we have a great conversation, and it's about how schools should reopen, because all of us, well, many of us, majority of us have children. How do they go back to school? Do we have that realization that school needs to reopen? How do we hope to cope with that situation? More so, how does the Ghana Education Service intends going about all this? You know, yesterday we spoke to the Ghana National Association of Teachers, the Concerned Teachers Association, relevant stakeholders in education. Now we're speaking to the foremost body going to do all this, the Ghana Education Service. Good morning to you, Justice Awute. You work with the University of Ghana and your beautiful wife, Cecilia, as well, and also Elom Ashiagbo. Well, you also teach at the Vakpo Senior High School. You should watch this because you're also going to be roped in all this. We're taking a break. We'll be right back with the newspapers.